Mira, I've been thinking so much about what career to choose. It's so overwhelming with everyone giving advice.
I know what you mean, Sonia. It feels like every choice comes with 100 different expectations. But honestly, it's important to pick something that feels right for you, not just what others think.
True, but how do you even figure out what feels right? Sometimes I think I want to be an engineer, but then I also wonder if banking would be a better fit for me.
Both are great options, but they are very different. What do you think excites you more, working on technical projects and innovations, or handling finances and helping people manage their money?
I think I like both in their own ways. Engineering feels exciting because I'd get to design and create, but banking seems more practical and structured, which I also like. I also think about which one offers better opportunities in the long run.
That's fair. You should also think about what kind of work environment you'd prefer. Engineers often work in teams solving technical issues, while banking involves networking, meeting clients, and financial planning.
That's something I've been considering. I think I enjoy social interactions more, but the thought of sitting behind a desk in banking all day scares me.
Not every banking job is like that, though. Some roles are quite dynamic. But you have to ask yourself if you're okay with numbers dominating your life.
Good point. And engineering? I've heard the hours can be crazy, especially on big projects.
True, but think of the satisfaction you'd feel, seeing your designs come to life. It's about the trade-offs. Every profession has its challenges.
Exactly. That's why I feel stuck. Both have challenges I'm willing to face and perks I'd enjoy.
Let's break it down. What kind of lifestyle do you envision? Do you want something with structure, or are you okay with unpredictability?
I think I prefer some structure, but I also want growth and excitement. Something that doesn't feel monotonous over time.
In that case, banking might offer more variety in the long run. You can move into different roles: risk management, investments, corporate banking. Engineering can evolve too, but it's often more specialized.
That's what worries me about engineering. If I choose the wrong field, I might feel trapped. With banking, I think I'd have more options to explore.
That's a valid concern. But don't forget about your skills. Do you enjoy learning technical tools and software, or are you more comfortable analyzing and communicating?
I think I'm better at analyzing and communication. I've always been good at explaining things and managing tasks.
Then banking might play to your strengths. But you should still think about where your passion lies. Do you see yourself genuinely happy in that field?
Honestly, Mira, I've never thought about happiness in this decision. It's always been about what's practical.
That's important too, but happiness matters. If you're not passionate about something, even the best paycheck won't make up for it.
True, but it's so hard to know what I'm passionate about. I enjoy aspects of both professions. Maybe I should try internships in both before committing.
That's a smart idea. Real-world experience will show you what the day-to-day work feels like. It might even surprise you.
It would also help me figure out if I can handle the challenges. I don't want to enter a field and feel overwhelmed later.
That's why self-awareness is crucial, Sonia. You need to think about your values, skills, and what motivates you to keep going during tough times.
I guess I haven't given enough thought to that. I've mostly focused on what looks good on paper or makes sense to others.
It's normal. But at the end of the day, it's your life. Think long-term. What kind of impact do you want to make?
I'd love to do something meaningful, something that feels like it matters. Does that sound too vague?
Not at all. Meaningful can mean a lot of things. For you, it might be helping people achieve financial security or creating innovative solutions that improve lives.
Hearing you say that makes me realize I need to focus more on what fulfills me, instead of just worrying about stability or others' opinions.
Exactly. Stability comes when you're good at what you do, and you'll excel if you love your work.
So, you think it's okay if I take my time to decide? I don't want to rush into something I'm unsure about.
Of course, Sonia. Take your time, explore both fields, and talk to professionals. Just remember to keep an open mind and focus on what resonates with you.
Thank you, Mira. Talking to you always clears my head. I feel like I have a better idea of what I need to focus on now.
Anytime, Sonia. You've got this. Just don't forget, it's not just about choosing a profession, but choosing a life you'll love living.
That's probably the best advice I've heard. Now I feel a little more confident about figuring this out.